Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome. Today on Tuesday. Yes, it's a Tuesday. Tuesday, March the 26th, 2024. Almost end of the month. We have here 3 regular puzzles, and those puzzles are the 3 stars, the 4 star Sudoku, and the Tectonic, aka JigSaw Sudoku. In today's newspaper we have also an additional with extra puzzles. Let me show you. The extra puzzles are the letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, the 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudoku. We have 2 JigSaw Sudokus, one with 4 stars, one with 1 star. In Dutch they call it Saiva block, in Japanese Suguru. And last puzzle is the binary puzzle, and these puzzles I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. I won't do them all, only 4 of them I will solve in the evening. But this afternoon I will start with these 3 regular puzzles. And what's the news of today? Well, I've heard on the news, on the television, the Baltimore Bridge collapses. Yes, after being struck by a cargo ship. Yes. Well, I hope there are no casualties or a lot of people killed. Yeah. Anyway, let's go back to the puzzles. The first one, the 3 stars Sudoku. I need to pull this up. This one will be number, I believe, number 8251. 8251. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 26 printed digits. Usually the 3 stars puzzle has 25 printed digits. For 3 stars puzzle I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. Well, this one has 1 digit more, so it should be at 2 stars. For 2 stars puzzle I need 15 to 20 minutes. We will see if this is a 2 stars puzzle or a 3 stars puzzle. So let's get started. Let me see which number can I pick. How about a 7 in this row, 7 in the last row, so the row between. The only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We have 7 in this column, no 7 there, 7 should be there. 7. Cannot continue with the 7 now. 4. 2 in the third column, 2 in the second column, so the first column, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 6, yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in the first column, no 6 in these 3 boxes. 6 in the last row, no 6 in those 3 boxes. So the 6 in this big square could be here, could be there. 6 in the last row, 6 in one of those 2 boxes in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there, 6 should be there. Alright, need a 9 here. 1 in this column, last column, 1 in that column, so the column between, the only place left for the 1 should be there. Need a 6 here. Well, 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in the last column, so no 6 there. So the 6 in this big square could be here, could be there. 6 in this third row, 6 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 3 places left for the 6 should be here, here, or there. We have 6 in the last column, no 6 there. 6 in one of those 2 boxes in that column, so no 6 there. The only place left for the 6 should be there. Alright. Okay. Yeah. Need a 3, need a 8. 8. Alright. 4 4 1 1. Come on. 1 1. Yeah, I'm thinking. 2 2 2 2 2 2. 5. I need a 5 in this column. Yeah, 5 in this column, 5 in that last column, so the column between. Only 2 places left for the 5. Could be here, could be there. Okay. But it's not helping me. 5 5 5. Okay. 5 5 5 5. How about? Need a 7 here. Yeah. 1. I'm thinking. 1 1. Yeah. 3. Need a 3 here. 2 6 4. 1 2 3 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in the second column, no 4 in these 2 boxes. Here 4 in this row, no 4 in that box. So 1 box left for 4 in this big square. Shoot me there. 4 4 4 4 4. Okay. 2. Need a 3. 3 could be here, could be there. Well. This one is not easy. Thinking 3. 1 4. 1 4 8 9. 3. Come on. 4 4 4 4 4 4. I'm stuck. Let me put some numbers. 7 in this row, 7 in that row. So the row between the middle row, only 3 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in the middle column, no 7 there, so the 7 could be here, could be there. 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row, so the row below, the only 2 places left for the 9 could be here, could be there. 2 in this row, 2 in that row, so the row between the middle row, the only 3 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there, so the 2 could be here, could be there. And we have a 4 in this row, 4 in that row, so the row between the middle row, the only 3 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in this column, so no 4 there, so the 4 goes together with the 2 as a pair. So I've eliminated here the 7, so the 7 goes there. 7, okay. So 2 numbers left in the middle row. For numbers 6 is missing, but also the 8 is missing. 6 and 8. We have 8 in this big square, no 8 there. 8 should be here and the 6 goes there. I've eliminated here the 6, so the 6 goes there. 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square. For numbers, the 1 is missing, the 2, 3, the 4, 5. He's missing 1 and the 5, 1 and the 5. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 5 goes there. 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row, so the row above, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in the middle column, no 5 there, 5 should be there. 1 box left in this big square for the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 1 box left in this row for the numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. Two numbers left now in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, the 3 is missing, 3 and a 9. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 9 goes there. 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column, so we'll come next. The only place left for the 3 should be there. 9 in this column, 9 in that column, so the column between the middle column, the only place left for the 9 should be there. In the middle column, we need a 4. Well, we have a 4 in this big square, so no 4 in these two boxes. So 1 box left for the 4 in the middle column should be there. And I've eliminated here the 2, so the 2 goes there. 2 numbers left now in the middle column for numbers. The 1 is missing and the 2 is missing. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. We have a 2 in the third row, no 2 there. 2 should be here and 1 goes there. 2, 2, 1, 1. Okay. 1 box left in this column for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, and the 4 is missing. 1 and the 4, 1 and 4. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 4 goes there. 1 in the last row, 1 in the row above. So in that row, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 2 numbers left in this row for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here and 8 goes there. 2 numbers left now in the last column for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing. And 9 is missing. 8 and 9, 8 and 9. We have a 9 in the third row, no 9 there. 9 should be here and the 8 goes there. Well, we have a 1 in the third row, 1 in the second row, so in the first row. The only 2 places left for 1 should be here or there. We have 1 in the first column, no 1 there, 1 should be there. Then, let me think. Yeah, 2. I need a 4 here, yeah. 4 in this row, 4 in the row below. So last row, the only 3 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have 4 in the third column, no 4 there. 4 in the second column, no 4 there. The only place left for the 4, it should be there. Mark those 2 boxes early with a 6. We have a 6 in the second column, so no 6 there. 6 should be here. 5 and well, 5 in this row, 5 in the row below, so last row, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in the third column, no 5 there, 5 should be there. Then 8 and 2 numbers left in the third column, 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have 8 in the last row, no 8 there. 8 should be here and the 3 goes there. 3 in the last row, 3 in that row, so the row between the only place left for the 3 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 2 and 9, 2 and 9. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here and the 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this column for numbers. The 1. The 2 is missing, 2 and a 5. We have a 2 in the third row, no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 5 goes there. 3 missing numbers. Wait. Yeah, those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing, the 6, the 7 is missing, and 8 is missing. 5, 7, 8. 5, 7, 8, 5, 7, 8, 5, 7, 8. Then look, we have a 5 and 8 in the last in the third row. So no 5 and 8 in this box. 5 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as appear. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. We have 8 in this row. No 8 there. 8 should be here and 5 goes there. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 7. 7, 3, and 4. 4 in this row, 4 in the second row, so in the third row. The only place left for the 4 should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 3 and the 7, 3 and the 7. We have a 3 in the first row, no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 7 goes there. 3 in this row, 3 in the second row, so in the third row. Only place left for the 3 should be there. 1 box left in the first row for the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. Two numbers left in this big square. For numbers the 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 8 is missing, 9 is missing, 8 and 9, 8 and 9. We have 8 in the second column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 9 goes there, and the final 2 numbers in this big square are the numbers the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6. 7 is missing, 8 and the 9 is missing, 7 and 9, 7 and 9. We have a 7 in the first column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 9 goes there, finishing 14 minutes. Well, 3 stars, no. 2 stars, no. Let me give this a 1 star. Yes, I'm faster than 50 minutes, so I'm well pleased with time, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with other 2 regular puzzles. Until then, bye bye for now.